Crypto is back. Well, hopefully at least. But right now, the overall crypto market has seen a couple of very exciting things happen. First is Bitcoin's price broke back above a $50,000 per coin number. This is a key support for Bitcoin, and this is very important moving forward that we see Bitcoin's price able to stay above $50,000 per coin. It has acted as a very strong support in the past, and it's nice to see that we have pushed back above it. Second thing going on with the overall market is that we have continued to see Bitcoin push higher and higher in terms of Bitcoin realized cap. This has been very important, and Plan B came out on Twitter the other day, and he said this. He said this on December 5th, and he said not long before the Bitcoin's price just bounces back. You can't keep the ball underwater forever. And what happened? Well, we saw the entire market bounce back very strong, push right back above $50,000 per coin. But the big thing I want to talk about today are a couple of different altcoins that we have talked about in the past that have been doing really well, even though the market is down significantly. Even though the market has seen a big correction, these altcoins have been doing extremely well. One of which, in a video 7 days ago, this coin is by no means a small coin. It has about an $850 million market cap. This coin called Sologenic. SOLO. We did a video the other day on it, and it was at $3.25 per coin. $3.25 per coin on November 29th, 2021. This was the first video ever I did on XRP. I really have not talked about XRP or any of its projects ever on my channel, but this was the first one. And I did it because I saw a lot of potential in Sologenic. What happened? Well, November 29th until now, we have seen the overall market take a massive hit. Bitcoin's price is down significantly. But when we look at Sologenic, it was at $3, and what did we say? $3.25 per coin in this video. Now, it is at $4.29 per coin, despite having a big correction with the overall market. You can see November 29th was right before we saw this thing rally higher. It was at $3.20 per coin. Quickly after our video, it went all the way up to $7 per coin. This isn't just from my video, because this thing is a $858 million market cap company. There just have been a lot of positive developments come out here, from stuff going on with XRP, some of their legal battles, a lot of new developments with Sologenic, and today I want to talk about a couple of new developments that have come out recently with Sologenic. So first is that Sologenic recently just surpassed 100,000 followers on Twitter. They've been growing very rapidly. In our last video on this, they were a lot lower, but now they've officially broken through that 100,000 follower number on Twitter. The second thing with Sologenic is that they just recently launched the Sologenic DEX. This is huge. It's going to allow users to trade tokenized stocks 24/7. It's already been launched, and the big deal here is that everyone's always wondering, well, how can you invest in the stock market without having to take your money out of crypto? Like, if you've made a lot of money with crypto, you maybe want to diversify a bit. How can you get exposure to the stock market? Well, this is one way. You can invest on the Sologenic DEX. You can invest in tokenized assets like stocks, ETFs, commodities, and really all of these different global assets 24/7. This is huge. This is the reason why I spoke about this company last week, why it has been doing so well. Some of the most important features of this DEX is that fees are as low as 0.0005. I believe I got the number of zeros right. But it's so low, the fees, that it makes no sense to trade on any other platform for tokenized stocks, tokenized ETFs, tokenized commodities, rather than on this one with Sologenic. Last thing going on with them, which I really wanted to talk about, was what has been going on a little bit with XRP. Doesn't directly affect this, but what has been going on with XRP is only going to help it. Recently, we have seen a lot of legal battles going on with Ripple, but looks like these things are going to, wind down, should be resolved very soon, and this is only going to help propel Sologenic even higher. Not going to hurt it at all. So this is why I wanted to talk about this coin yet again, because it has been performing extremely well as of recently. They have this DEX. They also have had a couple of other major announcements, such as an airdrop, which they were giving, millions and millions of tokens back to holders. We talked about that in the other video. I'll make sure to link that down below. But either way, just this is a coin that I think you got to be in. We've talked about it like last week. We've talked about it a couple of other times, and I just want to touch on it again because it's done really well, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it, especially after this recent pullback we have seen. I think now is still a good time to get in because we have seen this strong buying pressure as we dropped down to that $3.50 per coin range. Strong buying pressure pushing this right back above $4 per coin. Next coin I want to talk about is going to be what is going on with Cadena, because Cadena's price has dropped pretty significantly over the last couple of days. We have seen that Cadena's price has dropped from about $16 per coin all the way down to $12 per coin. But the good news here is that nothing has changed with Cadena. Nothing has changed to make me bearish on it. Everything is still very good, very optimistic about the company. The only reason why it has taken such a big hit is because the overall market was down. So what this means is that right now, when looking at this, when we look at the 4-hour charts, we're starting to see a pretty strong support forming around that $11.50 per coin range, right around there. And this is key because moving forward, I think Cadena could easily be a $20 billion market cap company. And it's only right now at a $1.9 billion market cap company, meaning that I see at least 10x potential in this coin as long as the market continues to do well. As long as the market continues to do well, this coin, I think, will definitely start to compete more with the likes of Polkadot and Avalanche in terms of layer 1 solutions. So that is another coin which I wanted to point out, which I think is a great buying opportunity. And last coin, which is one of our favorites, we did a video on this just a couple days ago. This was Polygon. Polygon has been making major moves as of lately. This coin, we did multiple videos when it was around $1.50 per coin last week. We said you got to be in Polygon. Polygon Matic is a must own. I've issued so many buy alerts in our Patreon community, and this is a coin that right now, even after the big correction taking place, is still up over 25% over the last 7 days. Look at these coins in the top 20. Only 2 of them are up a significant amount over the last 7 days, one of which is Terra Luna, the other one which is Polygon Matic. So right now I am still very, very bullish on Polygon, but these are the 3 coins that I think are great to own right now: Sologenic, Cadena, and Polygon. Sologenic is it's not a small market cap coin by any means. It's currently, like I said, $850 million, ranked 225, but I see a little bit more potential with this one and with Cadena, if I had to say, out of all 3 of these coins we talked about. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below about Sologenic, about Cadena, about Polygon, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.